Hi there, it's Joshua, the Classic Competition Company, and we have a very lovely prize for you guys to take part in. This is a 1954 AJS that's been converted into kind of street scrambler, flat tracker looking machine. This one can be won on our website, which is theclassiccompetitioncompany.com, and tickets are £2 for this one. And the draw will take place on the 1st of February 2026. So what do we have here? So it's all been converted recently. It's got a nice new competition tank that's been newly painted. It's been fitted with this shorter, thinner seat. Got alley guards, got this upswept silencer, kind of Scrambler exhaust system, new shocks. You've got a new ammo carb on here. Looks like you've got also a competition style smaller hub front brake setup. Got these wider scramble bars, retractable footrests. When you're going over those rocks and you hit one, you'll retract up, sort of bending everything. We've also got a retractable kickstart here that someone's machined out, so you can push that back in when it's running, so it doesn't stick into your leg. So yeah, really nice machine, and we'll just wait for that tractor to go past. Yeah, smile and a wave. And okay, so it's all cold, so we'll have a go at starting her up. We've got a choke here, I believe, which is on, which is loose cable. We've got a advance and retard lever here, so I'll retard it slightly. We've got a fuel tap on the left hand side, which we'll put down, and we've got one on the right hand side, which we'll put down, and our tickler is on the left hand side, which we will tickle. You can see my finger through that gap. Might tip it up right a bit. Don't know how much fuel there's in this, not too much. See if we can get some out. My many tickling videos. Okay, there we are, that's petrol on there. Always got to give it a sniff. Right, now there is a decompression lever under here. It is a 350cc single, so it's not too bad to get in position, but it does help you just get over top dead centre before you kick it. Give it a good chance, so just a good kick and a swing, see what happens. Yeah, like I said, it is cold. Oh, first time, fantastic. And we can shove that in, give it a little kick, and that's out the way of my leg. So the engine sounds really nice and smooth. It's not too loud either, it's quite a nice thumping sound, but nothing too leery or yobbish. Have a little listen. It's a bit louder when you rev it, obviously. Sounds good. Engine's nice and smooth. Yeah, overall really nice machine, ready to have a bit of fun on. You obviously got these road tyres, making it more of a flat tracker. So it'd be quite a cool bike to race around town in, park up at a cafe and show everyone how cool you are. There we are. If you fancy a ticket on this one, they're £2, like I said, and it's the Classic Competition Company. If you do buy a ticket, thank you for your support and good luck.